Hey kids, today let's learn about farm animals, how to spell them, and the different sounds that they make. Pig. Can you spell pig? Let's spell it together. Ready? P I G. Pig. What sound does the pig make? Oink, oink. Can you make the pig sound? Dog. Can you spell dog? Let's spell it together. Ready? D O G. Dog. What sound does the dog make? Woof, woof. Can you make the dog sound? Cat. Can you spell cat? Let's spell it together. Ready? C A T. Cat. What sound does the cat make? Meow, meow. Can you make the cat sound? Cow. Can you spell cow? Let's spell it together. Ready? C O W. Cow. What sound does the cow make? Moo, moo. Can you make the cow sound? Duck. Can you spell duck? Let's spell it together. Ready? D U C K. Duck. What sound does the duck make? Quack, quack. Can you make the duck sound? Horse. Can you spell horse? Let's spell it together. Ready? H O R S E. Horse. What sound does the horse make? Neigh, neigh. Can you make the horse sound? Sheep. Can you spell sheep? Let's spell it together. Ready? S H E E P. Sheep. What sound does the sheep make? Ba, ba. Can you make the sheep sound? Chicken. Can you spell chicken? Let's spell it together. Ready? C H I C K E N. Chicken. What sound does the chicken make? Quack, quack. Can you make the chicken sound?